Goodbye, Blue. Ha? Oh. Bye-bye, Tamaraw. Ayun, panibagong vlog na naman tayo, mga parang giso. Kukunin na yun. Kukunin na yung Blue. Ayan. Kukunin na siya. Pinaugasan na. Kasi dito pag pinagawa, papakaros pa yan bago i-release. Ayun na yung Blue. Aalis na. Pick up na. Goodbye, Blue. Balutan ko na. Pwede na siyang bugahan. Yung kulay itim yung bubugahan dito. Kukunin na din yung ano, yung Tamaraw. Ano yung Tamaraw? Kukunin na. Wali dalawang sasakyan yung ginawa ngayong araw. Yung Blue daw yung Tamaraw. Bye-bye, Tamaraw. Ano, kinuha na. Bago na ulit. Bye-bye, Tamaraw. Naka-porcel yun. Ayun na. Nalagay na yung salamin ng truck.
Nakalala ko sa inyo. Kumpuman. Okay. Ano eh, akin, makahawakan ko na. Tiga. Hindi mo susurat yan. Hawakan mo dito. O, bibitaw na namin.
Yun.
Oo. Bangko. Ano sa'yo? Saan?
Naku, parang malalaglag ah.
Oo, bas dito. Ha? Sige, at least dyan. Okay, o yan. Kamay ko. Pasok.
Pasok na.
Tiga.
May hose, naipit yung hose.
Tiga ha? Mahawakan. Tiga lang.
Ito, naipit oh.
Angat pa yung bumoy. Ha? Angat pa yung bumoy. Tama lang yan. Tiga. Sabi niyan, tiga dyan.
Yan. At nagkipla na nung pampito. Tingnan natin kung ano laman nung ano. Laman ng lata. May umaalog-alog eh.
Naghihirap na eh.
Naghihirap na kami. Ayan na. Ang laman ng kahon. Tada! Ay! Bagong design. Bagong design. 20 pesos. Tama yan, punta ka na to. Oh?
Gawa. Dapat gadar ko ito.
Ito na oh.
Gan gadar ko.
Bago may bago gusto pala ngayon. Asian. Like QR code, oh. Nagbibili ko ng ganyan. Oo nga. Bumibili ko ng mga bagong 10 piso. Binibili ko ng 8. Oo nga. Nagbibili ko ng ganyan eh. 8 pesos, bili ko. Ano? Bili ko ng 8. Yan. Ha? Bili ko ng 8. 10 pesos.
10,000?
Oo. Bago pala ang laman yun. Bago.
Wala pa ngayon eh.
Wala pa pero mayroon na. Ano po, nagbubuga na. Shoutout sa mga kabuga. Veterano. Ha?
You cannot reap what you never did sow.
May roll ba ka dyan?
Pero dyan,
Para mas maganda yun eh.
ayaw na makapagyan dyan.
You cannot learn what you never want to know.
Bango.
In this house of cards,
Yan na.
with only
May kulay na.
in this house of cards. In these lonely
Wax in.
and when you go,
Wax out.
fall back apart.
Wax in. Wax out.
Find pieces
Wax in.
all over in this house of
Tumutulo tubig.
says even there were just too many days. When our good intentions only got in the way. And I almost never know what I should say. Maybe nothing nowhere ever was that okay. In this house of
Bumutog.
cards, with only
Yan, wala pang top coat yan. Pintura pa lang yan. Pag tinapod na yan, kikinang pa yan.
you cannot reap what you never did sow. You cannot learn what you never want to
Mapping na lang.
in this
Mapping na lang to.
house of
Babaping na nga ako eh.
Ha?
Babaping na ako eh.
Mapping ka na.
in these
Mahanggang po eh.
And when you go, I will fall back apart. Find pieces of me all over the yard. In this house of cards. She says, hey man, there were just too many days. When our good intentions only got in the way. And I almost never know what I should say. Maybe nothing nowhere ever was that okay. In this house of cards. With only hearts. You cannot reap what you never did sow. You cannot learn what you never won't know. In this house of cards. With only hearts. In this house of cards. In these lonely hearts.
Naka-premiere ako. Premiere. Dito na ako sa bubong. Para di matamaan yung silver niya kasi yung itim yung prevent process.
Tagalog tayo.
And when you go, I will fall back apart.
Pwede yung paupo-upo lang.
Kasi marami pang gasolina na narating sa akin.
Find pieces of me all over the yard.
Ha? Oo.
This house
Yan.
of cards.
Pampataba kaya yan?
And there were just too many days. When our good intentions only got in the way.
Na. Tapos papatungan pa yan.
And I almost never know what I should
Para kumintap.
say.
Kala mo walang nangyari oh.
Nowhere.
Brand new ulit.
Was that okay?
Ipapasok niyo yung luma, lalabas niyo yung bago. Ha?
In this
Nadari na.
house
Papasok na luma, lalabas na bago.
with only
Kaya ayaw rin dyan. Ang luma ng sakyan.
Ano mga sakyan? May nagtanong na nga sa akin eh. Kung magkano raw, ano? It's 100, yung it's 100 daw. Kung magkano?
Galan.
Hindi ko alam mo, taga saan yun eh. Tapos sinat ko na rin kagabi. Viewers namin.
cannot breathe what you never did so.
Ito, mga ilang ano lang to. Bago na rin yan. Daming gagawin.
In this
Kanina, dalawa na yung umalis kanina. Sunod ito. Kailan ka ito alis?
Ayan.
Isang araw? Biyernes daw o Sabado. Baka sabay yan na pag alis ko.
in this house of cards.
Sunod, tapkot.
In these
Tapkot na sunod, no? Mamaya. Para kuminang. Ayos ah, walang tolo ah. Walang lobo ah. Oh?
Meron?
Meron? Iba man yun.
Iba ba?
Iba yun.
Kala ko yung hinahanap ng tukoy. Yung ulo, yung nagbubuga.
and when you go, I will fall back.
Isa pang patong. Para sure ball.
Find pieces
Kaya dito,
all over.
talagang di kayo magsisisi sa ano, paggawa. Konting lobo lang, sigurado, iikisan niya ni ano, kay Nilo. Pag may nakita siya na ano, ayaw niya ng back job.
She says, hey man, there were just too many days. When our good intentions only got in the way. And I almost never know what I should say. Maybe nothing, nowhere, says, hey man, there were just too many days. When our good intentions only got in the way. And I almost never know what I should say. Maybe nothing nowhere ever was that okay. In this house of cards, with only hearts. You cannot reap what you never did sow. You cannot learn what you never won't know. In this house of cards, with only hearts. In this house of cards, in these lonely hearts. And when you go, I will fall back apart. Find pieces of me all over the yard. In this house of cards. She says, hey man, there were just too many days.
Ayan na, nagtatapkot na.
When our good intentions only got in the way.
Malapit ng baga. Tapkot na siya.
And I almost never know what I should say. Maybe nothing nowhere ever was that okay. In this house of cards, with
laba. Yan po, laba muna. Time check natin ngayon ay 6:35.
in this
Maglaro muna, tapos pangalan po mag-edit.
and these lonely
Sasarado muna. Ayan, at hanggang dito na lang ang vlog. Maraming salamat po sa suporta nyo. Thank you. Bukas na naman. Bukas pisenturan na yung ginawa ko kanina. Ayan po, bye bye.